The government feel can support us, and when we want to build a house, you don't have a lot of money to build a house, the government support you. They give you a loan with no charges, zero interest.
Yeah.
Yes, up to 700,000 dirham, zero interest. They give you, the government give you. Many services that we get here. If you don't have and you are unemployed, the government find you a job. So the government vision here is to support the people here. It's supporting the local people that here. They are providing all the services they are providing to them. This is how it is.
What about the orphans, the less privileged? Do you have any mad people?
A welfare, do you have a welfare system? Welfare system for the less privileged, the underprivileged, orphans,
the government care of them. There are authorities only for this. For handicapped, for example, there is authority. For old people, there is one authority for that one. For orphans, there is one. For the sick people, handicapped, there's all individual authorities for this one.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you have an indigent person, their culture actually takes care of that. If you have an indigent person, someone who cannot work, maybe they are mentally not okay,
or they don't have hand and leg,
or they, yes, government provides something for them.
Well, government give them salary.
So there's a welfare
give them salary.
There's a welfare
You
system.
give them salary.
Yes, because they cannot work, if they cannot work, they are sick, or they are mental problem, the government give them salary. Yeah.
Okay, now, in deciding public officers, like you have said, the ministers, in deciding them, because we are predominantly Muslim states,
Christian.
yes, Islamic states,
yes.
in deciding those top government functionaries, do you actually expose your women to those
Positions.
Those
Are
positions?
women open to, are you
Ministers.
to ministerial level?
Yes.
Can we have, for example, a female ruler in Abu Dhabi? Is it possible?
Minister, we have 3 ministers, female ministers. We have three of them.
Can a woman become the ruler of the UAE?
There is no law saying that it's not allowed, but it's preferred to be the male.
Male.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, what of at the point if at this one of the monarchy does not have a male son, he has
The brother.
female son.
The brother.
Yeah,
The brother takes over.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, gentlemen.
Let me just
You're not okay with this.
on the final note, I want to ask, considering all considering the fact that you have gone to this level with the development here on ground, is there any challenges you are also having as a government in your system?
The challenges that we have is not in the government system, it's the geographic challenge. Dubai is located in the empty quarter, yes, and the weather here is very hot, and this might not attract people here. Yes, so the biggest challenge that we have is the weather. We cannot control that one. This is the problem that we have.
Finally, let me just ask a question.
Yes.
You said you have churches here. Is there any Christian Dubai, look up as a Christian?
Dubai Christians, actually, no, I don't think so.
Okay.
Okay, please, I want to make an appeal to the lead person.
Can we make that after we leave here?
No, you guide us here. I want us to take it from here to Jesse. Like if we end here, those of us who have not seen monorail, if as we are going out, take us to the
Sorry, when we came to the reception, we saw your journals, what's it called? Flyers and magazines. I don't think that is very useful if we should have them. So that you make us have reference.
Yes.
Can we have copies of this?
Yes, we prepare for you in the back.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, gentlemen, can we round up? Is it okay?
Let somebody give a vote of
Yes, Honorable, which of the honorables will we do?
let's
Let me thank you on behalf of them. You've known all of us. Well, it's legislators from Nigeria. he is our lead person and our resource lead. Let me on behalf of all of us, ourselves and the lady, he is also part of us, he is also a lawmaker. Let me thank you for this visit. For us, it's been wonderful, very interesting, and I can assure you that we are in love with Dubai. Yes, Dubai is a very great city, and we hope to come again.
Yes, maybe we will come.
Yes, we hope to invite you to visit us.
So I want to thank you on behalf of everybody, and then wish you well. Yes. And then please extend our warm greetings and felicitation to the government of Dubai.
Yes, sure. I'd like to also to thank you all for here, and I'll say just enjoy Dubai.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
I'm still recording.
Jason, but you make a provision for one of these convertibles. Where is it, madam?
Can I have one extra one? Thank you very much. Okay, so let's move on to the reception now.